Hello viewers, in this tutorial we are going to solve this equation on the board. This is an initial equation that has a quadratic exponent. For us to solve this, don't panic, it's very simple. The first thing we are going to do is that we check the numbers. We have 3 to the power of x squared is equal to 27 to the power of x divided by 9. What we are going to do is just to express all the numbers to be in base of 3. So if you take a good look at the first number, 27, you divide by 3, you have 9. You divide by 3, you have 3. You divide by 3, you have 1. That means 27 is 3 to the power of 3. Then if you look at 9, if you divide by 9 by 3, you have 3. If you divide 3 by 3, you have 1. So 9 is 3 squared. So since we've gotten this, we have 3 to the power of x squared is equal to 27 is 3 to the power of 3. We have it to be 3 to the power of 3. We have the power that is already there, which is x. It becomes 3x. Then divided by 9 is 3 to the power of 2. We have 3 to the power of 2. So from laws of indices, what we are going to do when we are divided in the same base, like a to the power of n divided by x to the power of m, you know is the same thing as x, which is the base. You have n minus m. So we are going to apply it here. So we have 3 to the power of x squared is equal to 3 to the power of, in the same base, then we minus the powers. The powers is 3x minus 2. Now you see that the bases are now the same. All we have to do is to equate the powers. So we are having x squared is equal to 3x minus 2. And this have led us to what we called a quadratic equation. So we are going to solve the value for x. To do that is very simple. I will use factorization. I'll try to bring all the items in the right hand side back to the left hand side. So I have x squared, 3x crossing the quality sign, it becomes minus 3x, minus 2 crossing the quality sign, it becomes plus 2 and is equals to 0. Then the next thing to do is to think of two numbers that whenever you multiply them, you are getting a positive 2. And if you add them together, you get a negative 3. The numbers are minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. And minus 2 times minus 1 is minus 3. So we have two factors. And the leading coefficient here is x. We put down the x is equals to 0. Then the two factors we got is minus 1 and minus 2. So since two things multiplies themselves to give 0, that means either the first bracket is 0 or the second bracket is 0. So let's look at the first bracket. X minus 1 is equals to 0, meaning that x is equal to 1 crossing the quality, minus 1 crossing the quality sign is 1. Or we say that x minus 2 is equals to 0. Then when minus 2 crosses the equality sign, it becomes a positive. That means x is equal to 2. So the two possible values that can be able to satisfy this given initial question is that x is equals to 1 or 2. Please like, comment, and share for more. Bye-bye.